Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Belair two-door hardtop to show you. Now, this particular car, of course, finished off in sort of a nice hot rod form, which we all like, of course, and this one finished in Matador red. It's a base coat, clear coat. Paint's been on it a long time, but look at the depth and the shine this has. Beautiful paint, beautiful panels, certainly nicer than it was when it was new, I'm sure. All your Belair trim and bright work is very nice. There's no pings in it or denting or anything like that. Wheels and tires, now these are US mags. They're fully chrome. You got 17s in the front, 18s out back, and these nice Eagle radials all around. And we've got power front disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors here. Again, all the trim, beautiful around here, and weather stripping, excellent. All the glass is nice in the car. Now, windshield wipers, you know, a lot of times we put these little chrome pieces here. The wiper motor and so forth does work. It's a 2-speed electric wiper that's been upgraded. Very nice. Just kind of cleans up the front. Again, nice. Look at these. Look at this door and how clean. Of course, all the panels are like that, but I wanted you to be able to see that. Trim and bright work, excellent. I kind of like this. You know, this is an original. This is original glass, and sometimes it'll delaminate, and I kind of like that look. That looks kind of cool like that. These are flappers here, and they work, of course. Taking the interior on this side. The interior, been slightly upgraded here. You've got a high-end vinyl, and you've got this nice, comfortable fabric. It's sort of a taupe color. It kind of stayed with the theme of the Belair in terms of the way the interior was laid out. Seat belts for 6. See the back seat there a little bit. You got a high-end quality carpeting, nice headliner. Now the door panels match, of course, and you know they look excellent too with all your bright work, carpeting, your handles and so forth. All the trim and bright work is nice. Your sill plates, and even the painting in here looks very nice. Very clean. It's not beat up or anything. Doors close nice and easy. Again, your flappers work. Shut lines look good. Shut lines look good all over the whole car. The trunk, the hood, the doors, everything. And of course your big Belair trim here. The gold trim for the Belair, that's correct. Got your 18-inch rim there, drum brakes. Now back here, you've got, of course, you know, a lot of chrome back here, and it's all very, very nice. It's beautiful. No issues with the chrome. You got 3-inch exhaust, and that's actually 3-inch exhaust all the way back from the headers. Trunk lid, very nice. Take a look in the trunk. I'll show you real quick here. Trunk compartment, very nice. Original style mat. Kind of peel this back a little bit for you so you can see the trunk's nice and solid. You got no rust in this car, by the way. Stereo equipment up there with your speakers. Spare. This is a 10-disc CD changer. And all your trenches look nice. Up under here, nicely painted, and your weather stripping, very nice and pliable. You know, the paint's been on this car probably a good 15 years, and man, it looks like it was painted yesterday. Beautiful paint. Trunk closes easy. You don't have to slam the trunk. Again, you know, I talk about this, but your shut lines look good, nice and even around the car. And as all of us know, you know, you got your hidden fuel filler right there on a 57. You're gonna have to tell the youngsters about that when you pull in to get gas, because they're gonna be looking around for the, you know, the fuel filler. And so kind of a cool thing right there. All your top trim, excellent. Let me take a moment here to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where, of course, I've got pictures of the Belair, but I've got a text ad that'll hit the bullet points, and I'll hit them here too, but I may miss one or two here, and you can catch it on the website. But you also, I've got pictures of the undercarriage as well. You want to see that. Very nice and clean under there, nice and dry. This is a nice car. It's a good car. Beautiful here. You've got cold vintage air conditioning. That's what these vents are, you'll see. Steering wheel, this is a custom wheel to, you know, sort of match the car. You know, you got this nice billet aluminum here. It is a tilt column. You've got your factory gauges, but you've also got auxiliary gauges down below there to tell you all your what your engine's doing. Again, nice headliner, little dome light working up there. The engine in this is a small block Chevy. It's a 383 Stroker engine. I'm going to show you that here in a minute, but the transmission is an M21 Muncie, which is their close ratio 4-speed. Shifts nice, clutch works great. The differential is a 12-bolt. 308 gears in there, so you know, if you want to buzz down the freeway, you know, or take it out on the highway, or you know, do some sort of a rally, you got no issues there. You're not running, you know, short gears. It's going to do nothing but wear your engine out and take the fuel. So 1957 had these rockets up here with, you know, the kind of the hood characteristics, the hood bulges or spears. Nice big chrome bumper with your turn signals integrated. Excuse me. Bullets here, your rubber cones on there. Nice gold grille, which is correct for the 1957, and of course all your emblems intact and so forth. Now I got to tell you, this is a great car. I'm going to show you this. A couple things I want to talk to you about here in the engine compartment. It's done very nicely. Take a look at this. This is sort of a integrated, or what they call a March pulley system. So you've got a serpentine system. You got a heavy duty alternator. This is your compressor, nice and polished, aluminum. You've got nice aluminum pulleys. You got a fan that's thermostatically controlled here. Power steering, power front disc brakes. That is a completely new steering box. So the 383 here that we're looking at, aluminum manifold. You got a little Holley 4-barrel there. It's just dressed nice. Got your MSD box, so you definitely have electronic ignition. Got an Optima style battery here. This nice billet cap. But they did a nice job. They kept it clean. This is your overflow here. You know, when they do vintage air and heat, they take out your old heater system. So what they do is they have this block plate, and that's what that is. That's where your control, or your heater and so forth was. But what they wound up doing was routing your air conditioning back and through the fender. It's a good running 383. They produced in the neighborhood of around 400 horse. This one has long tube headers. Again, aluminum manifold, electronic ignition. So you've got some upgrades there, but just a nice running car. Yeah, radiator looks good. Up under the hood's very nice. They just did a nice job. The firewall's clean. So what I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the Chevy, start it, you'll hear it run, sounds nice. I'll just drive it around the parking lot a little bit so you kind of get a sense of what it looks like moving under its own power. But fun car to drive, very easy to drive. Take this car anywhere. Car shows, cruise-ins. If you want like do road rallies, that's fine. You want to go, you know, on a little trip with it. It's very diverse. There's not a lot of cars that can do everything, you know, and this one can. It's a beautiful car. Everybody loves them, me included. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We'll come back and talk a couple more minutes. Yeah, nice running car. Again, you know, you've got a nice layout here, which they did anyway. You got aftermarket stereo equipment, you know, to fit the factory hole and everything. But nice headliner, speedometer. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 57 Chevrolet Belair, don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.